Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to mute and unmute someone WhatsApp status updates. If you're using WhatsApp and now you want to mute someone's WhatsApp status, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your WhatsApp app and then go for updates on status section, and here you have to look for the person which you want to mute. As I'm going to mute this one, so just keep a long press on it, and here's the option of if you want to mute the person. You must have to select mute, and then the persons will be muted. Now if you want to unmute the person, you just have to go for the bottom section and you will get the option of mute updates. You just have to select it, and then you'll get your muted updates or muted persons. You just have to keep a long press on it and then select unmute. So that's how you can easily mute and unmute someone WhatsApp status updates. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.